Okay guys, it's 7:30, the time that I actually have to go to school. But I didn't know we had a 2-hour delay today, so it's snowing pretty hard. And yeah, so I woke up, I looked at the clock, and I thought I was gonna be late. You can't even see the snow, but it's coming down pretty hard. But you know. So like I'm all dressed and stuff, ready to go, but no school. Great. Guys, the student parking lot literally is not even plowed. Seriously. Shocker, I fell in the snow yet again. This time I was literally walking on the sidewalk. I wasn't even walking on the grass and I still fell. Great. Literally people are like sliding around the parking lot. It's not even like, you can't even see it on camera, but it's like snowing pretty hard. And yeah, after school activities aren't even canceled, but people are saying that we're not gonna have school tomorrow, and I really hope we don't, because I really need to work on that video for the college I'm applying to. I told you guys about that, but I changed my idea. I'm now doing it on my family tree. So I'm gonna go home now. Bye.